Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
I enjoyed the workshop of 5 days. I learned many new things. It will help me for the next year.
It was really helpful for me, and I think it will be very helpful for my engineering career also.
The teachers also helped us build our careers for the future.
And it also took a small quiz contest. They also declared winners and gave prizes so that we sharpen our mind and we understand the topic in a better way.
Science and maths classes, it is so good that they are explaining so well. And one thing,
and they all the concepts what they taught us were clear to us.
सायन्स एंड मॅथमॅटिक्स हे दोन विशयाचे कोचिंग 5 दिसाचे वर्कशॉप तांणी हांगा घेतले. बऱ्यांतले बरे फॅकल्टी आशिल्ले आनी वेल ऑर्गनायज वर्कशॉप आमच्या हांगा शाळेंत जाले.
की स्टुडंट 8, 9, 10 स्टुडंटाक जे पॅन्डमिकान तांकां गॅप पडलेलो, सो तेंचेसाठी तो सायन्स आनी मॅथ्स कसो कवर अप करपाचो, हाव टू गो अबावट इट, लायक तेंची ती फियरलेस आसता थोडे मॅटर सायन्सान मॅथमॅटिक्सान, सो आमी तेंचेसाठी तो ऑर्गनायज केल्लो.
From Narayana side, we are giving free workshop to all the 8th and 9th, 10th standard students of Goa. So first we have started in Bardesh Taluka, and this free workshop was given to all the Bardesh Taluka students, those who are interested, and attended from 11th of May till 15th of May. And the similar exercise we'll be doing for the Tiswadi Taluka in Mustipha and Kuzira coming week, that is from 25th to 29th of May.